Hi, and welcome to Ride Hustle, the channel where we dive right behind the wheel of an Uber driver here in London. If you are new here, welcome. I'm your host, Bola. Thank you for joining me in this new episode. For those who know me, this channel is about transparency. I share my earnings and expenses. In fact, my pickup and drop-offs of passengers as I go along. So stay tuned, come with me, and let's get into today's business. First trip of the day, let's get it done. Picking up from Queen Elizabeth Hospital and going to Southeast 18. That is first trip of the day completed. It was from Queen Elizabeth Hospital to Woolwich Arsenal Station. It was a distance of 1.48 miles. Took me 6 minutes and earned £5.72. Moving on to the next one, trip number 2. Let's get it done. That's another local trip completed from Woolwich Arsenal to Eltham. It was a distance of 1.47. Took me 7 minutes and earned £4.68. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. That is the third trip of the day completed. It was from Eltham to Burchurch, a distance of 9.05 miles. Took me 25 minutes and earned £13.24. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. That's trip number 4 completed. It was from Burchurch to Stratford, a distance of 2.17 miles. Took me 12 minutes and earned £5.79. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. That's another trip completed. It was from Stratford to Leighton, a distance of 2.68 miles. Took me 17 minutes and earned £6.50. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. That's trip number 6 completed from Leybridge Road to Sawdock. It was a distance of 9.12 miles. Took me 41 minutes and earned £16.68. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. The last trip was from Battersea to Camberwell. It was a distance of 1.37 miles. Took me 8 minutes and earned £5.28. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. I'm currently in Dulwich from Peckham, and the last trip was a distance of 1.90 miles. Took me 9 minutes and earned £5.36. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. That's trip number 9 completed from Dulwich to Brixton Station. It was a distance of 2.23 miles. Took me 10 minutes and earned £5.53. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. That's trip number 11 completed. It was a distance of 2.73 miles. Took me 14 minutes and earned £5.18. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. That's trip number 12 completed. It was from Canary Wharf to White City, a distance of 12.53 miles. Took me 58 minutes and earned £25.08. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. I'm currently in Hammersmith area, and that last trip was 0.85 miles. Took me 3 minutes and earned £4.75. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. Again, I'm still in the Hammersmith area, and the last trip was 2.36 miles. Took me 9 minutes and earned £5.65. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. I'm currently in Paddington, and my last trip was from Hammersmith to Paddington station. It was a distance of 3.47 miles. Took me 14 minutes and earned £7.84. Moving on swiftly to the next one. Let's get it done. I have just completed the 16th trip of the day. That was from Paddington to Camberwell, a distance of 5.92 miles. Took me 25 minutes and earned £12.86. Currently, there is no job pending for me, so I'm just hanging in here. Ooh, I'm a Hampstead. No, thank you. That's the long one. 30 miles, £30. I'm a Hampstead. I've been online for about 6 hours now. Yes, about 6 hours, and I have earned £142.27 so far. It has been fairly, I must be honest, it has been fairly busy. The wait time for me today was around 5 to 7 minutes, which means every 5 to 7 minutes I get something to do. I have completed 16 trips so far, but now I'm waiting for the next trip, and I have been waiting now for about 15 minutes, and it's past midnight, hence it's getting slower and slower and slower. The last trip was about 15 minutes ago, and I'm still waiting for the next one to come. But the good news is I'm in Southeast London, which means I'm close to home. If I wanted, I can decide to head towards home direction. But I'm going to give it a few more minutes and see where this takes me to. Otherwise, I might just decide to go home. That is another trip. The rider is 1.5 miles away, and the distance of the actual ride is 8.8 for £11.99. Now, if you calculate that, 1.5 miles away, 8.8 miles distance, that is about 10 miles. 10 miles for £11.99. No, I'm not going to do that. It's good, to be honest. For me, it's good. For my car, it is good. In fact, I did the calculations. I took my expenses and depreciation into consideration, and I did the maths. For the kind of car I drive, 95p per mile is okay. It's break even. Yes, 95p per mile is break even. But my target is minimum. My minimum target is £1.20p per mile. Okay, but I always go for £1.50. Always. So if you watch my video and see the price advertised and the mileage, try and do the calculation. Always is about £1.50 per mile, and that is my target. That's what I go to. Anything above that, sweet, that's extra. But again, the minimum I can do on my car, according to my calculation, is 95p per mile, and that is break even. Okay. Anyway, new trip is coming in. Let's get that done. Moving on to the next trip. Let's get it done. I'm still in Camberwell area. Done a couple of trips within the area. The last one being 3.17 miles. Took me 15 minutes and earned £5.57. Now moving on to the next one, and hopefully that is going to be my last trip of the day. I'm on destination mode at the moment, so it has to be towards home, and I'm not far from home anyway. So, right, yeah, I'll see you after the next trip. Let's get it done. That's the last trip of the day completed. It was a distance of 13.24 miles. Took me 33 minutes and earned £13.88. That's me done for another day. Right, let's do the numbers. Driving time, 8 hours 40 minutes. Online time, 7 hours and 5 minutes. Trips, 19 trips. Tip, £4. EV charge, £18 30 pence. Total earnings, £192 35 pence. If you have enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Remember, hustle, no dey finish. Until next time, drive safe, stay smart, and I shall see you in the next episode.